Hello, Fred here from the Camping Family channel. Thanks for stopping by. Back out here in the new to us Bounder 36R 2014. Figured one of the first upgrades I wanted to do was install our IntelliPower Progressive Dynamics PD9270 70 amp converter so that we can maintain our batteries to the best possible. I know in these things they don't put the best charge controllers in the best converters, so wanted to get this in here quick because I know I have two batteries in here that are brand spanking new. Finally found the unit. I had to pull out my cabinets over here, and a couple things in here to note. On the top here I could hear the hum, and that's the surge guard. That's the transfer switch, transfers power between shore power and your generator. So that's what I heard was humming. And then tucked underneath that is the actual converter. So I looked inside, and it's one of those, I don't remember the model. WFCO. It's only a, what is it, a 60, I think it's a 65 amp when I pulled it up. But simple installation here. It's plugged in over to the right. One screw holding it to the base, and it's got the 12 volt connections on the left there. So it should be a simple plug and play to get that unit out. That's a 3-stage. I looked it up. It's a newer unit, 3-stage, not bad. But I just want to put my 4-stage in there, so simple connections, nothing fancy in this one like in the other one. Plug it into that, and I've got the positive negative here on the left. So it should be a simple swap. I'm just going to go ahead and do it, and I'll show you a video when I've got it done. Stay tuned. Okay, progressing along here. This thing was on there tight. Those two cables were torqued down there, I'll tell you that much. I had to get out pliers just to turn this little Allen wrench. That thing was on there tight. Now they say don't over tighten these things, but man, these cables were torqued. I mean, look at that. But we're getting there. So did negative first, now we're doing a positive. And then they have a ground connector, a copper cable on the back of it. So we'll get that after we get these off. Unit's unplugged over here, obviously. I've got the battery disconnect switch disconnected, so there is no 12 volt power coming through these cables right now. So we're just gonna get everything undone here. There was a screw on the back of the unit holding it into the floor, and obviously I could not get to it, so I just kind of shimmied it till it came out. Yep, that's all I could do with it. That's all I could do was shimmy it. But it came out. Alright, so as you saw, I just did the positive, got the negative done. I'm going to move these out of the way, get that copper connection, the ground connector out, and then we'll put in the IntelliPower. That'll be next. Well, here we are. Another project in the books. There we go. IntelliPower plugged in, secured, grounded, positive negative cable. I've got it secured in with a single screw. It'll work. Attached my pendant. It's tucked up out of the way. Got the pendant mounted right here by this little vent. Going to town. So we are charging right now. So, yeah, exciting. Now I don't have to worry about batteries. They'll be well maintained now. That's what I wanted. Alright. Well, thanks for stopping by. Until the next project, happy camping.